Each element in your file is separated by layers, and the Layers panel is usually on the right-hand side. If you don't see it here, you can go to Window and Layers to turn it on or off. An item near the top of your layers list will appear in front of the element below it in the list, and an item near the bottom is going to appear behind the other layers. To move an item in front of a layer, select that layer and click and drag to move it up or down. Another way to do this is to use shortcuts. On your keyboard, select Command, Shift, and square bracket. This will move it to the very top or the very bottom. To move it just one level up, use the shortcut Command square bracket. The bottom layer is often locked. If you'd like to move this layer, you'll have to unlock it by tapping the lock icon or making a duplicate of this layer. To make a duplicate, you can right-click and hit Duplicate Layer, or use the shortcut, which is Command J. There's your UX bit. Now comment below for any questions or tips.